Hello everyone, my name is Dongyue. I comes from EFWE team. This video I want to show the onTrade function. Actually, in MQL4, in Math Editor 4, there is no onTrade function. It's only in MT5, so we simulate the function in MT4. This point is so these our builded how to say that our builded classes and API and table and procedure, and you can see this part is like for example, this is a class's name is test on trade.mq4. It is an EA and its path is in EA's folder and E40, EFWE, and test on trade folder. You can find this EA. Okay, and this point is show the workflow of how it works. For example, when you go to this EA, and then in the initial part, we launch another include film to get the account ID from our table, and then with that ID we can log the activity log orders which in the order pool, and transfer this date to our order table. In order table, there's some foreign key for the order type and the symbol. You can check them yourself in the database, and I will give this point to you, and you can use this workflow to see how it works. And here, the first part is log the activity order, and this part is log the history, and at last we go to the onTrade function. The onTrade function, in the initial function in the EA, we call another function also in that EA, that is onTimer. We can set the timer to run our onTrade function every second. You can set 1 second, 2 seconds, as you wish. And then with that onTrade function, we can detect the order, like open a new order, some order added, and some order closed. And then we also transfer this date to our order table. So let's go to the code. Here is the Math editor for Forex platform. Also, we have the totally same in Oanda, but here I just show it in the Forex. You can go to your EA folder and check our structure. This is for our product. Its name is E4T, as all these folders in API and in database. So we go next. This is my folder is test on trade. I said the EA is here, and let's see this EA. Open this EA. I include some other include field. This include field is also built by myself, and we can check them here. Go to the include folder, go to the E40, EFWE, and also this include are all built for the EA name is test on trade, so I put them in the same folder. So you can see here we call this include film here. So let's simply explain how it works. Here I set an ID, and this is the initial function. And first and you can see the on timer, and time is set to 1. That means every second we call the timer. The timer is here. The timer, it will call the function, and it will every time to run this function. So we'll talk them later. And at the beginning, we go to first part is to check the to log the history. The history is in here. We can see the log history. Log history is here. Log history is a simple function just to call some no, it's not here. I'm sorry for that. This is a log history. Log history to call another function is update order. So update order part is the main part of our it's here. Here is update order, and that function is transfer all this date through the YB API to our order table. So here you can see every function is called the update order, and the other part is to log the account history, to log the activity order. The activity order pool is here. This name is tab name is on trade, and the account history is another pool, is history pool. Its name is account history. We just transfer all this information to the order table. Let's see the table. It's here. Yes, table is here. You can see all these data from the this table is just for test. I cleaned the table several times, so maybe the data is not really similar as my prime form. In the prime form, I think there's a more than 1,000 record here. But here you can check the login ID. We will have the login ID in our service. Here is the login ID. Actually, we got the login ID here from the platform, and go to this folder and change the login ID to the ID. And then we log this ID to our order table. Okay. Login history, login order. The next part is just login every orders. So here is the order in one table. I have lots of video to explain and to show how it works, so I don't do this here. So this is a really big and useful task. Based on the onTrade function, we can to develop a lot of function based on this order date, like monkey, like signal. I think the signal is also to get this date. So that's all. Thank you for watching.